Hi, Bright Learners! Today, we're going to learn 10 real-life conversations you can use every day. Are you ready? Let's get started.
The job interview. Good morning. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Leo.
Nice to meet you, Leo.
Nice to meet you too.
Can you tell me a little about yourself?
Sure, I finished college last year. I studied business.
Why do you want to work here?
Because I really like your company and I want to grow my skills.
Do you have any work experience?
Yes, I worked in a cafe. I talked with customers and handled the cash.
What are your strengths?
I'm friendly, responsible, and I learn fast.
Can you work on weekends?
Yes, I can.
Excellent. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, just one. What does a typical day look like in this role?
Good question. We usually start with a brief team meeting and then focus on client accounts. I can share more details if we move forward.
That sounds wonderful. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Leo. We'll be in touch by Friday. Have a great day. Grocery shopping together.
All right, what's on our grocery list for today, babe?
We need some fresh produce first. Can you grab a bag of apples and a head of lettuce?
Sure thing. Got 'em. Do we need any meat for dinner tonight?
Let's get some chicken breasts. They're on sale this week. Oh, and we completely ran out of milk and eggs.
I'll head over to the dairy aisle and grab those. Do you want regular milk or oat milk?
Oat milk, please. While you do that, I'll look for some snacks. Should we get some chips for movie night?
Definitely. Grab the barbecue flavor if they have it.
You got it. Let's meet at the checkout in 5 minutes.
Sounds like a plan. See you there.
My very first sub.
Hi, welcome to Subway. What can I get for you today?
Hi. Actually, this is my very first time ordering here. I'm a bit nervous. How does it work?
Don't worry at all. It's very easy. We build it together step by step. First, choose your sandwich. The Italian BMT is our most popular.
Oh, that sounds great. I'll take that one.
Excellent choice. Step 2 is picking your bread. We have white bread, whole wheat, or Italian herbs and cheese.
I'll have white bread, please.
Great! Would you like a 6-inch or a foot long?
A 6-inch is perfect for me.
Got it. Next, do you want cheese? And would you like it toasted? It makes the bread nice and crispy.
Yes, please. I'd love cheddar, and please toast it.
Now for the fun part, the veggies. We have lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and peppers. You can choose whatever you like.
Can I get lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers, please?
You got it. Finally, what sauce would you like? We have mayo, mustard, sweet onion, or garlic aioli.
Just a little bit of mayo, please.
Perfect! Look at that. You just built your very first sub. Would you like to add a drink or a cookie to make it a meal?
Wow, that was so simple. Yes, I'll take a chocolate chip cookie and a drink, please. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your meal.
The danger zone.
Oh my god, no. This cannot be real. This scale is definitely broken.
Everything okay in there, honey?
Look at this number. I gained 3 pounds over the weekend. 3 pounds! How is that even possible?
I'm sure it's just, water weight? Or maybe your pajamas are just really heavy today?
I'm wearing cotton sweatpants. It must be all that pizza we ordered last night.
Right. Terrible pizza. Hey, look at the time. I think I hear my boss calling me. Gotta go.
Don't you dare run away! No more junk food in this house. We are going on a diet starting today.
Too late. I'm already gone.
Taking the wrong bus.
Excuse me, is this bus to the museum?
No, this bus goes downtown.
Oh no, I need to get to the museum. Which bus should I take?
For the museum, you should take bus 27.
How often does bus 27 come?
It comes every 15 minutes.
Do I need another ticket for bus 27?
No, your current ticket works on all city buses.
Great! How long does it take to get there?
About 30 minutes, depending on traffic.
Thank you so much. I didn't want to get on the wrong bus.
You're welcome. Have a good trip.
Hotel check-in.
Hi, do you have any rooms available for tonight?
Yes, we do. Would you like a single or a double room?
Just a single room, please. How much is it?
It's $120 plus tax. That includes free Wi-Fi and breakfast.
Sounds good. I'll take it.
Great. Do you prefer a room on a higher floor or a lower floor?
Just a quiet room, please.
No problem. I'll find one away from the street. May I see your ID, please?
Sure. Here's my driver's license.
Thank you. How would you like to pay?
I'll use my credit card.
Perfect. Please insert your card right here. Great! The payment went through. Here's your room key. You're in room 305 on the 3rd floor.
Thank you. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 a.m. tomorrow. Let us know if you need anything.
Will do. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant stay. Shopping for a hoodie.
Excuse me, do you have this hoodie in yellow?
Sure, what size do you need?
Medium, please.
Here you go.
Thanks. Where is the fitting room?
It's over there, next to the mirror.
How does this look on me?
It looks great! That color suits you.
I think it makes me look a bit bigger.
Would you like to try a smaller size?
No, this style just doesn't suit me. Thank you for your help.
No problem. Have a good one.
The Stubbed Toe.
Ow! Ow, ow, ow! Mom! My toe!
Oh, sweetie, what happened? Did you stub your toe on the coffee table?
Yes! I was running to grab my toy car and I hit it right into the wooden leg. It hurt so bad.
Let me see, bud. Take a deep breath. Try to wiggle it for me. Can you move it?
It moves a little bit, but it stings like crazy.
Okay, the good news is it doesn't look broken, but it's definitely going to bruise. You know what we always say, no running in the living room.
I'm sorry. I forgot.
It's okay. Let's go to the kitchen and get an ice pack. Come on, hop on one foot. I'll help you. A relaxing spa treatment.
Hi, welcome. Are there any specific areas of tension or soreness today?
Yes, my shoulders and lower back are really tight. Please focus on those areas.
No problem. What kind of pressure do you prefer? Light, medium, or firm?
Medium pressure is perfect, but please be gentle on my neck.
Sure. How is the pressure so far?
It feels amazing, thanks. It's just right.
Great. I can feel some tight knots here. I'll help you loosen them up. All done for today. Take your time getting up. There's some water outside for you. Drink plenty of water today.
Thank you so much. I feel so much better.
You're very welcome. Have a wonderful day.
What's for dinner?
Hey, honey, what's for dinner tonight?
I'm making baked salmon with roasted vegetables.
Sounds delicious. What about soup?
Creamy mushroom soup, your favorite.
Nice. What seasonings are you using?
Garlic, pepper, and a bit of fresh dill.
Perfect. Need any help?
Nope, I've got it covered.
Great. Then I'll just sit here and scroll through my phone.
Sure. But next time, you're cooking.
Deal. I'll try not to burn the kitchen.
I'll believe it when I see it.
Great job today! If this video helped you learn some daily English, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun lessons. Thanks for watching, and it's time. Bye!